Wow. I can't even imagine the downtime that comes with that. There's obviously the emotional frustration, right? Sure. There's the lack of sleep, all of the kind of intangible things that are horrible to experience. But from a downtime standpoint, you're not making payroll, you're having a hard time billing your products or services. They were down for over a month, you said?
We got them back in operations in cobbled pieces, and that's the way recovery processes work like that. Is you think about the most critical systems and you focus on getting those back up and operational as quickly as possible, but all the ancillary components aren't. And so you think about what it means for the company to meet its promises to its customers and how it generates revenue. That becomes the primary focus, but things like a payroll system or an accounting system, which are critical to the business, but they're not necessarily what keeps the business operating and their employees productive. And so those sometimes take weeks to get operational. And when you're doing recovery on really complicated databases and systems like that, the first recovery process is rarely right out of the gate. There's always an additional amount of work done to get it back on the rails again.